श्री राम जानकी बैठे हैं मेरे सीने में। 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 देख लो मेरे दिल के नगीने में, देख लो मेरे दिल के नगीने में। श्री राम जानकी बैठे हैं।
The first video of mine after JEE. So let's talk about JEE 2023. So many students are confused whether it will be held on like in January or March, April. See, so most probable, the probability of having like in March is more, okay, the JEE examinations. So but if it is done in January also, so we have around 80 days, okay, 75 to 80 days, 75 to 80 days, okay. Now we will directly come to point what we have to do. So we will not waste any time because this is the most precious time that we are using, and just listen, okay. So first what we will talk about what we have to do. So first of all, you have to read NCERT for chemistry plus previous year questions. This is the thing that you have to only do, nothing else. No book, no Peter Skies, nothing, no module. But if you have a module which contain previous year question and NCERT questions, then you should do it and practice as much as you can. This is the line that is very important. Practice only, just practice and learn, and just learn it. Every reaction, everything you have to learn. Now if we talk about physics, so this is about chemistry. Now we will talk about physics. So if we talk about physics, then what we have to do? Formulas. We're talking about formulas. So these are the most important thing that you have to do. So you have to make a formula book. The thing that I'm talking about is the most relevant thing that you will find on YouTube. You have to just make a formula book, because I have given exam in JEE 2022, in 2022 only, so you can relate with me. But by other teachers, what they are saying, they have given exam 15 years ago, 16 years ago, 10 years ago. How they will know you? Because generation has changed. We are using mobile phones and we are getting distracted, and it is a part of our schedule, using mobile phones, watching reels and all. So it is part, you can't deny it. But what you have to do, you have to modify yourself, you have to change your perspective, that being social media as a part, you have to do what? So you have to make formula book, which is very important, because each and every question come from formula in JEE mains examination, plus previous year plus NCERT additional exercise, which is given on the last page of the chapters, and the analysis of that you have to do the formula that is used, because most of the question come from that only. There are many questions which has came in like J Advance also, like from AC and all. Okay, so this much is sufficient. This much is sufficient. I'm telling it again that this much is sufficient. If we talk about maths, take out important marks grabbing chapters. If you are not good in mathematics, I was good in mathematics, so I got around 98 percentile in mathematics. Okay, so if we talk about important chapters, so the vector 3D, straight line, parabola, like coordinate geometry is very important, because from vector it is around 2 question, from 3D it is around 2 question, from straight line, parabola and other like ellipse it is around 2 question. Average like 5 question from coordinate geometry, so you can grab around 20 marks. Now probability, because most of the students are afraid of probability because of PNC, but if you will do Bayes theorem, then you will be able to do questions. But PNC is quite important. This is the most important chapter that I am talking about. Now if we talk about other chapters like the mathematical reasoning, one question is sure shot, 4 marks. And statistics, in my JEE examination there were 2 questions from it, so if there will be 1 question only, then you are getting 4 marks, and it is very easy. From sequence and series, definitely 1 question, plus quadratic 1 question, so you are getting around 4. Now from calculus also you are getting around 15 marks question, around 15 marks question, but most people don't practice calculus. So calculus contain AOD, differentiation, like AOD, integration and other functions. Now from functions, accept around 3 questions with integrating limits and all. 3 questions are there, 4 3 are 12 marks. And other chapter that you can practice is like you can practice from algebra, binomial. It is not that important chapter, it is just for concept building, so 1 question from, so around 20, 4 16, so 16 12, so around 50 marks you can score in mathematics from these chapters that I have told you. And for physics and chemistry, only NCRT, previous year question and practice. Same in case of physics, formula book is very 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 important. Previous year question, NCERT additional exercise, and small chapters like semiconductors, communication is very important. You have to learn this. You will get free marks. And chemistry, in chemistry also, like chemistry in everyday life. So in my time, in 2022 only, there were around 4 question from chemistry in everyday life, environmental chemistry, and other like polymers, and some small chapters, hydrogen. So there were around 4 to 5 question. So around 20 marks you are scoring from just 4 chapter. You don't have to learn chemical equilibrium. Yeah, there will be some formulas they will tell you, like KSP formula. From that they will ask question. From mole concept 2-3 question will come, 2 question. Okay, so it is easy, you can do it, and believe in yourself, you will definitely do it. Just what I have told you, just follow it and you will score. Sure shot 175 to 200 and 150 for sure if you are going to follow this strategy, and continuously for 80 days just follow this. You will get, definitely you will get around 150. The practical thing, I always talk about practical things. What will happen? I will not say you will score 220 plus 300 marks, because you also know that how much time is left and what you have to do. So just do this and you will get your marks and you will clear your JEE main examination, and believe in yourself. Okay, so thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video, and please share and subscribe this channel, and please share this video to every needy aspirant that he is like waiting for the strategy or watching a strategy everywhere on the YouTube. So this is the sure shot strategy by a student, because only a student can tell you what he has done and what you should do, because they only know the condition. Like you are from a middle class family and you are not getting enough opportunities also, and you have low income, and you are using your own materials and your own, like you are getting phone and you are using from the phone, you are continuously practicing things, then you understand the life and how it is proceeded. So this is the part of life that we are doing. Like JEE is a part of life that that for people are competing. So it will be good if you will share this video. Okay, thank you.
खत्म, बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया।